to you, ma'am.
but the voice is echoing a lot. Even I can hear my voice and your voice also twice. There's some network issue, I think, today, no?
Okay.
It is echoing. The voice is echoing a lot.
So yesterday, ma'am, we told them about the use of can, may, should, and must. Today, we are going to tell them about the and the, where to use it. Okay. And today, we are going to give a situation also like they have come to the school and they are late, and like a sports
I think we
teacher.
should start with the and the first, then we'll
Yes,
come to
ma'am.
the situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's finish this off quickly then. Start.
Correct, correct, correct.
Let's start.
Good morning, all of you. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got that. Now, today, like yesterday, we had a word on use of can, may, should, and must. Okay? And today, we are going to tell you where to use the and the. Like in archaic period, we used to use the because it comes from Shakespearean English. Okay? Is my voice audible to you?
Yes, it is audible.
Yes, sir.
So, but
Yes, sir.
nowadays it's very mandatory, like where to use the and the. We should know this because it is like one of the part of the grammar. Okay. When we use the, it is very specific that we are talking about anything in specific. Like when we talk about articles, what are articles? A and the. These three words are used as articles. Okay. When we use a, we are talking about singular thing. Like I need a pen. Okay. I need a pen. I need a one pen. Okay. Where we use an, we use an in front of vowels like A, E, I, O, U. Okay. There's an elephant standing in front of me. So where we use an in front of vowel. What is a vowel? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are vowels. Rest every alphabets are consonants. Okay? Consonant. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
you can discriminate between a and an. In front of consonants, we use a. That is alphabet A. Okay. In front of all vowels, we use an, like an elephant, an umbrella, an apple. Okay. So these are vowels. Where do we use the? When we are specific about it, when we are telling about something which is very specific, you can use the chair which is lying beside the window, which is lying beside the window. We, like I'm telling you right now, you can use the chair. Which chair? The chair which is lying beside the window. Okay. So I'm specifying that you can use the chair which is lying just beside the window. Okay. Or I can frame a sentence that you can use a chair. You can sit on a chair. Okay. So when we are specific that I'm telling you that you should use that chair, I'm using the. Okay. So things which are specific, when we are like, when I'm telling you that you should use that particular thing, I'm gonna use the. Okay. So these are articles, a and the. Now today we are teaching you when to use the and the. Okay. When we are specific about anything, we are going to use the. Okay, we are pointing out that particular thing. The chair, the mattress, the table, the anything. Okay, when we are particular about anything, we are going to use the. Correct? Any problem? Anyone?
No, sir. No, sir.
So it comes out like this when we are particular about anything. Like when we are telling about a particular thing and we are specific that you have to use that particular thing, we are going to use the in front of that thing. Okay?
Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Anika ma'am, is my voice audible to you?
Now it is audible. Now it is audible.
So, ma'am, I was just trying to tell them that where do we use a and the? These are articles, okay? And we it is very essential for us that we should know that where do we use a and the, okay? We use a in front of a singular thing, especially in front of consonants, okay?
Consonants.
We use an in front of vowels. And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now there are some exceptions like umbrella, or you can say university. It starts with U, but it's a exception. We use the university or a university because according to phonics, the pronunciation of university is like U. It's not coming a. Okay, all these vowels like A, E, I, they are coming from a. The phonics is a. Okay, like an apple, apple, like an elephant, elephant. Okay, so we have to notice this thing also. Don't be confused. Okay, it's very simple, but you have to use your mind also. Like university is an exception. Unique is an exception. Though the vowel is there, U is over there, but the phonics is like university, U. Okay, unique, U. And U phonics comes from Y. Okay. How do we spell U? Y-O-U. Correct? Is my voice audible to you all?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So unique
Yes, sir.
and university are exception. Okay. Like I'm going to give you one more example. Like honest. How do we spell honest? H-O-N-E-S-T. But H is silent over there and we start from O. Honest. Okay. So honest is also an exception. And we put an in front of honest. Like he's an honest person. Correct? Is there any problem? Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
please remember there are 2-3 things which you need to recapitulate, which you need to mug up, and you have to keep it in notice that when you use these articles, you have to put the correct article, like a university or the university. When you are specific, you are going to use the, or when you are talking about in general, that this university is a very good university. Okay, so you are going to use a. If you are very specific that the Lucknow University, okay, so please don't put an in front of university and unique. Okay, these two are exception. Correct? When we talk about honest, so we are going to talk about an. We are going to speak an in front of it because it's an exception. Okay? Anika ma'am, do you like to add on anything?
No, sir, it's fine. Actually, I'm having a little bad throat today. I'm not able to
No
speak
hassles,
also.
ma'am, no hassles. So today we are going to talk about the and the. I hope you all have got the concept of articles. Where do we use articles? Anyone has any problem? Please ask us right now. This is the time. Anyone?
No, sir. No,
Please, beta. If you have any, okay. If you have any problem, you can ask us right now. Okay, so let's discuss about the and the. When we are talking about, yes, beta, I'm listening.
So why we will put a with vowel university?
Why don't we put a in front of unique or university? Beta, it's just because, like, when we speak, you know, when we speak, there are a lot of things that we go according to grammar. There are a lot of things that we go according to phonics also. Like when I'm talking about your FB account, okay, like I'm saying, I have an FB account. F. Though the word, though the alphabet is F, but the phonics is coming like E. We start with E, like elephant, FB. Okay, so when we are talking in phonics, then also we have to keep in mind that we have to use the proper article. Okay, like an elephant, like an FB account. Okay, though the alphabet is F, but when we are talking in phonics, we have to use a proper article. Do you understand me better? Is there any problem? Aradhya?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so you have to look.
No, sir.
The room,
No, sir.
the room was not built in a day. Okay, so you have to keep on practice this language. Then it's going to come like that. Okay, in one day, if you're thinking that you are going to put the correct articles, it's not possible at all. Even when it comes to me, I'm not perfect, but I keep on practicing it. Okay, and practice makes a man or a woman perfect. Correct? Okay, so an FB, this is also an exception. F. The phonics is coming from E. And what is E? It's an vowel. It's a vowel, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you where to put the and the. Okay. The spelling is going to be the same, but the phonics of that particular word is going to be different. Correct? Now, we put the in front of all the consonants. Okay, when we are talking about consonants, what are consonants? Which are like vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Except these 5 vowels, all the alphabets are consonants. Okay, like B, C, D, F, G, and on and so on. All these other alphabets except vowels are known as consonants. Okay, any problem? Anyone?
Sir. No, sir.
Okay, so we put
No, sir.
the in front of consonants and we put the in front of vowels. Like when I'm talking to my son, he has taken a bath. Okay, when he comes out, I ask him, you have to give me your other foot. Like, so I'm very specific. Give me your other foot. The other foot. Okay. at very first time when he doesn't listen to me, I ask him like, give me your other foot. When he doesn't listen to me, I ask him specifically like the other foot. Okay. So these are some things. So these are those things which we need to apply when we are talking, or even when we are not in writing, but when we are talking, because it comes in spoken language. Okay. So the and the, these both are same, but in phonics we use them in different manner. Like when we are using in front of consonants, we are going to say the, and when we are using in front of vowels, the other foot, the other hand. Okay, so we are going to use the. When we are talking about the elephant, okay, so these are some things which we which we have to abide. Okay, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yesterday we had a talk on use of can, may, should, must, and today we are talking about the and the. So what are we going to do today? It's a very interesting thing. Like today we are going to frame sentences on the and the, and everyone is going to frame sentences on like the and the. You have to frame two sentences, one on the and one on the. Okay, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Don't be afraid, don't be nervous, just hold your confidence, and please, when you are speaking, when you're framing sentences, don't speak anything. Okay, you have your time. Okay, like I'm telling you right now, so you have your time. You start framing sentences at this particular moment. Start framing sentences on the and the. We'll start from class 5 because they are the most, you can say, senior ones over here. And we are going to start from class 5. Anika ma'am, is it possible, because I'm not at home, you can just note down the attendance?
I'll do that. I'll take the screenshot and note the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Make sure.
That's going to be very helpful for me. And all of you are going to frame sentences on the and the. So when I'm talking about class 5, I can see there were, I suppose, Vaibhavi was there, but she's not there right now. Anyone from class 5?
I think nobody is there from class 5 today. We'll start with class 4 in that case.
Okay, ma'am. So we'll start from class 4.
Aprajita, are you there today? Yes, she's there. Aprajita of class 4. We'll start with you. Since sir has made very clear to you all the use of the and the, so please be very clear when you are using it. Where to use the in front of the consonant and where to use the in front of the vowels. The book is kept on the table. So the book on the table. I'm using the because I'm using it before the consonants.
Consonants, correct.
So similarly, you also have to frame your sentences accordingly. Make sure what are you using and where are you using.
Look,
Okay,
today we are telling you this thing. I don't think so that prior it was told to you.
No,
Was it told to you? Okay,
No.
so don't be afraid. Like if you are going to commit a mistake, there's an old proverb, there's an old saying that we learn from our mistakes. Okay, so don't be afraid if you are going to commit any mistakes. Beta, even I do commit mistakes. Okay, and don't be afraid about your mistakes. Just speak. You can do one thing, like I'm speaking right now. You can do one thing. You can frame a sentence. You can write somewhere, and when it comes to you, when the turn is coming to you, you can speak that particular sentence. And if there is any mistakes, we are going to tell you. Okay, and don't be like shy about it. Don't be so scared about it. Okay, no one is perfect. Just you need to do what is our objective. Our objective is that you should speak speak because it's a communication class. Okay. Any problem? Anyone?
Aprajita, can we start with you now? Aprajita of class 4, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aprajita. Frame one sentence.
Please turn on the fan.
Please turn on the fan. Very good. You have used the because you are using it in front of the you are using it with the consonant. Fan, it stands with F. So you have used the. Please switch on the fan. Good.
Correct, ma'am.
Aradhya Singh of class 4. Okay. Sorry. Please continue, Aprajita. Please continue.
Now, can you use it in front, you have to apply the also. So where are we going to put the? Can you frame a sentence putting the in that sentence?
Sir, the.
Yes, baby.
Yes.
Because where do we use the? We use the in front of vowels. Okay, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are vowels. Okay, so like I told you, when Shaunav, or you can say Adriel, he comes out after bathing. So I ask him to give me his other foot. Okay, so when he is not listening to me, I ask him, give me the other foot. Okay, I'm being very specific, and I'm even trying to impose my things on him. So please, if it is possible, you can use the in front of a vowels. If it is possible, you can frame a sentence like using the.
Sir, I
You can
can
take it.
start.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay,
Anika, ma'am,
okay.
we can do one thing. We can ask Aprajita to frame a sentence. She can write on a paper. Okay. And the rest we can start with other students also. So it's going to save our time.
Before that, I think we should give 1 or 2 examples of these so that it is more clear. Like just now, I gave example. The book is kept on the table. So I have used the because I'm using it in front of the consonants. But now, if I'm saying, please give me the English book. Now I'm being very specific that I want the English book only. I don't want any other kind of book. I want the English book. So I'll start my sentence. The English book is kept on the table. Now, did you understood the difference between both the sentences? The first sentence was the book is kept on the table. The second sentence is the English book is kept on the table. Now, did you understood the difference between both the sentences? In the first sentence, it was the because I was using it with consonants. Now, in the second sentence, it has automatically changed to the because I'm using it with the vowel.
Vowel. Correct, ma'am.
Here, now the difference is clear, children?
Yes,
Is there any
ma'am.
problem, anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I think you can give it a try. We'll start with Shashwat. Can you give us some sentences on the and the?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shashwat, start. Aprajita, we'll come back to you later. Okay, Shashwat, start.
The sun is rising in the east.
The sun is rising in the east.
east. Okay, he has given both the examples in one sentence only. That's also good. That's also good. Smart
Yes,
move.
ma'am. He's smart. Yeah.
Okay.
So who
Good
else
choice.
is there in class 4?
I think Aradhya Singh. Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya. Okay. Please give me one sentence with the and the. Others, please mute yourself.
Please give me 1 glass of water.
But where is the? I cannot see any the in the sentence. I want example from the and the. You are free to make one sentence or you can make two different sentences. No issues. Aradhya,
Please switch on the light.
please sit on the light.
Please switch on the light.
Switch on.
Please switch on the light. Okay. 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 Now if you can give one example of the also, you can add one word in this sentence and this the will one word in this sentence and this the will become the. Just think. Please switch on. What you can change it into. You can add. Please switch on the orange light. Yes. Aradhya,
Yes.
Are you listening,
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya?
you could have add just one word. You could have added. Please switch on the orange light. Okay. Or if you want to make any other sentence, you can make.
Like, better we can do one thing. Whatever sentences you are framing in front of a vowel, like he's the honest person. He's the honest person I've seen on earth. Okay, he's the actual person who can save us. So whatever sentences you are framing in front of a vowel, you have to put the over there. Okay, and whatever sentences you are framing in front of a consonant, we are going to put the over there. Any problem? Ma'am, like we have done with Aprajita, Aradhya, Shashwat. Now who is left from class 4?
Sanjeevni of class 4.
Okay, Sanjeevni. Sanjeevni, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So you have to frame a sentence on the and the. Now you can bifurcate or you can discriminate between the and the. Where do we put the and where do we put the? Correct? Is there any problem? Do you have any problem with that?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. So please frame a sentence like where do we put the?
Please give me the toffees.
Please give me the toffees. Okay, the and the.
Today we are going to the zoo.
Today we are going to the zoo. Zoo is not a vowel, beta. Okay,
Yeah.
because
Your word should start with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U.
okay,
You could have said, today I am going to the auditorium.
the
Instead of zoo,
auditorium- Yes,
You
correct.
can add auditorium. The word,
can even say-
wherever you are using the next word should start with a vowel.
Vowel,
A, E, I, O, U. Understood the difference?
We are telling you where to use the. It's not mandatory that you have to use the everywhere, but if you want to use the, you should know that, or you should have a knowledge where to use the. Okay, like it's raining outside and we should use the umbrella. Okay, so you should know where to use the. If you are speaking, you should know. Okay, we have to abide the norms. We have to abide the rules of grammar. Correct? So this is where we are telling you that where to use the and the. Okay. Sanjeevni, do you
The
like
will
to-
always come in front of consonants. The will always be accompanied with consonants.
And E will be accompanied with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels.
Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
So whenever you are using the, you have to remember. Achha, the next word will be starting with vowel. So it will automatically understand. Today I am going to the. What will come after the? A word starting with vowel. So it should be either starting with A, E-I-O-U. So today I'm going to the auditorium. Understood? If it is the very next word should start with vowels. And what are vowels? We will quickly revise in our mind. A, E, I, O, U. So that means the next word should start with either A, either E, I, O, or U. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Today I am going to the university. It should be like this, okay? Avinash sir. Okay, what I think is children, okay, we'll give you chances to speak also, but I think you can practice writing some sentences also. I'll give you chance just now to speak, but it's better that you practice writing five sentences at home also. See, it is very clear where you will use. I know it is clear to most of you, but you will have little confusion while framing sentences starting with the. Okay, so sit and think of those sentences where you can use the. And just remember, using the means vowel. Understood? So you will not get confused. The is accompanied with vowel.
Vowels. Correct.
Understood?
All of you, sorry for the turbulence. Okay, there's
Yes,
some connectivity problem. And
There's a lot of connectivity issue today in my area also. Even yesterday also I had a lot of issues.
okay, ma'am. So we were on Sanjeevani, or we were on someone else.
Sanjeevani is done, I think.
Okay, ma'am. So
I
we'll
think
move
class
on
4 everybody is done.
Okay, ma'am. So we'll move to class 3 because I cannot see any class 5 student over there.
Haan. Okay, we'll start with Swastik. Please
Swastik, are you there?
Haan, he is there.
The boy is playing. The boy is playing.
The boy is playing. Okay. And any sentence if you can frame with the.
The apple is tasty.
The apple,
The apple is tasty.
Okay. Okay, it's okay, beta.
We cannot
No, ma'am.
say that he is wrong, है ना? He is not wrong.
Not at all. No, not at all. Let's move to the other
The
student.
ice cream is cold.
Very good.
What is cold? What did he say?
Ice cream, ice cream.
The ice cream.
Ice cream is
The ice cream.
Yes, ma'am. He's saying correct. Okay, ma'am. After Rajvi, should we give a chance to the other one? You're most welcome, baby. You're most welcome. Ma'am, the other student from class 3.
Mishti of class 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the sentences. Please frame the sentences using the and the.
Come on, Mishti.
Okay, Mishti, first tell the sentence using the. It is a very common word. You know a lot of sentences using the. So please make one sentence using the.
The girl is standing.
The girl. See, don't make these small sentences. Though your sentence is right, the girl is standing, but try to complete it. The girl is standing outside. The girl is standing on
Beside
the road.
the tree. Yeah,
Beside the
you can
tree.
use-
There's so many things.
Yeah, you can use those words.
Okay, chalo. The girl is standing. Now try to frame a sentence using the.
The. Don't be hesitate, beta. Don't get nervous. Okay, you can speak anything what you like to speak right now. Okay. Come on, Mishti.
These lights are on.
Sorry.
We are not talking about these. We are talking about.
I'm talking about the.
the. And where do we
The
use
you have said the girl is standing. Now coming to the. Where will you use the? With vowels. So try to. You can add one word in this sentence only. The, or you can make any other sentence if you want.
like Rajveer told us, the ice cream was very cold.
Taste.
Okay.
Very cold. He used the because the next word was ice cream. It is starting with I. It was
I.
starting with vowel. Now you also try to make one sentence.
Come on, Misty, you can do it. I know better.
The elephant is very big.
The elephant is very big. Okay. That's okay, ma'am. Anika, ma'am, that's okay.
See, you could have the elephant is very big. Okay, good. Now one more thing you could have done. The girl is standing, and you could have added the adorable girl is standing.
Correct.
Use one vowel over there, and your sentence will change. The adorable girl is standing. Both ways it is right. The sentence that you have told, that is also right. Okay.
That's also correct, beta. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Suryansh.
Ma'am, Shians.
Shreyansh. Okay, Shreyansh.
Okay.
All of you will get chance. All of you will get chance. Yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, this that wear is very beautiful.
Speak again.
The big teddy bear is beautiful.
The teddy bear is beautiful. Okay.
The orange is sour.
The
Yes.
orange is sour.
No, ma'am. This orange is sour is correct, but the orange, I'm not actually.
The oranges are sour. Either he would have said no.
Yes,
The oranges
yes, sir.
are
I'm
sour.
not getting that content actually because
Huh.
the oranges. Now
Oranges.
we are putting the at a correct place, but the orange is very sour. Or we have to say this orange is very sour.
Is very sour.
Okay.
The oranges are sour.
Okay, can you frame any other sentence on the if it is possible? Come on, you can give it a try. Or we can come afterwards, ma'am. We can
It's okay.
okay, we can come after.
Okay, Suryansh. Suryansh,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to give it a try? Start.
Ma'am, I can start.
That is what I'm saying. No, beta, start.
Please give me the half
Please,
glass
rest of you, mute yourself. Okay, so yeah, I can
Start.
speak.
Please give me the half glass of water.
Please give me the half glass of water.
Beta, it's coming from half, na?
It should be the.
Okay.
Please give me the half
The
glass
half
of water.
Okay. It's not like that we are going to put H everywhere silent. Okay, like in honest, it's silent. H is silent. So that's why we start from O. That is honest. Okay, but everywhere we are not going to put H as silent. So the half is not appropriate. Okay, so we are going to put the over there. Okay, so you can give one more chance to your sentences, whatever you are framing.
The apple is red in color.
The apple
Is
is red.
red in color.
Okay. Whenever we are going to use vowel, we are going to use the. Correct?
I think they are trying good, sir. They are trying well.
Yes, ma'am. They are in class 3.
No,
And
they're-
it's the first
they're
time
trying to-
they are using this concept.
Right. Even they don't have it in their course. They only have articles a and da, and that is
Yes.
towards the final term.
Correct.
But then they are doing it beautifully. Good effort. I think we can give them the homework now to write just 3 to 5 sentences on the and the, and I think the
Yes.
concept will be even more clear.
Yes, ma'am. And it's not mandatory that you have to write 5 sentences on each.
Fine.
If it is possible, you should write at least 3 sentences. Okay?
At least 3 sentences.
Just think about it. You have whole day and think about it, and you can frame 3 sentences. At least 3 sentences. And maximum, you have to frame 5 sentences.
5.
Okay? Okay?
Clear?
Any problem? Anyone? Anyone has any problem? Please speak right now. This is the time.
No, sir.
I think so. For today, I think this is enough. That situation one we can do tomorrow.
Correct, ma'am.
You know? Because they will otherwise get confused. Just now we are giving this much homework is fine. They can write 3 to 5 sentences using the and the. And tomorrow we can do that situation one
Situation thing. Yes, ma'am. The role play.
and the role play, right?
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, so children, you have understood your homework. You have to frame minimum 3 and maximum 5 sentences using the and the. The will be placed in before the consonants and the will be placed before the vowels. And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, I think we should end the class now, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Why not? Why not?
Okay. Bye, bye, all of you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
See you tomorrow, beta.
Bye.
Bye.